With an integrated ERP, you can manage and streamline your purchasing, receiving, and accounts payable within the same system to ensure a steady supply of material while enforcing policy and process controls. Create purchase orders with approval rules for various order types, vendors, order amounts, and other order-specific information. With predefined structures built specifically for your unique needs, you can keep tight control over your entire procurement process. Your team will be able to manually create purchase orders or generate them from automatic replenishment suggestions. In this video, we will walk through the process of manually creating a PO, but we recommend that you view our deep dive video on replenishment settings, which can be found on our YouTube page. Once you create a new purchase order, you can select the vendor and begin adding items. Simply create a new row or add your desired items from a searchable field. While this video does not cover blanket purchase orders, keep in mind that this is a feature that is available. Notice how the system automatically plugs in the purchase price after adding an item. This is because the vendor prices are also managed in the system. If I filter down to the Lego 500-piece set, we can see vendor-specific pricing for the item. Additionally, I have a break quantity here, which means that I need to buy 5 or more of this item from this vendor to receive the discounted price of $52.50. If you require an approval step for your purchase orders, you can easily configure the workflow with specific approvers such as department heads and manage multiple levels of approval. As an example, you may wish to have all POs approved by someone in the finance group, but then specify an additional level of approval for any PO that reaches a certain threshold. Those in charge of approving the documents could be automatically notified via text, email, or mobile push notification. Once a PO is approved, it can be automatically emailed to the vendor or manually emailed here. A fully integrated system provides visibility through the entire procure-to-pay process. Right now, you are viewing detailed quantity and location information for the Lego item that we just purchased. We can see the available quantity, on-hand quantity, and the number currently on purchase orders, among other data. These availability calculations can be defined to fit your unique needs. For instance, you might want to include the quantity on open POs as available to sell, but deduct the quantity on production demand. To view the specific documents associated, such as the PO we just sent to the vendor, we just need to double-click to drill into the rows. Once a shipment hits your dock, a new process begins where your team validates quantities and receives the inventory. By managing your inventory in a system tightly integrated with your purchasing, you can ensure that your single data source is accurate and up to date, speeding up your order fulfillment and making your customers happy. Notice that I selected this checkbox here, allowing me to create an AP bill upon release of this receipt. This is just one of the many ways a modern system can help connect the dots, bringing your warehouse staff in sync with your accounting team. If you would like to know more about how we can help you automate and streamline your accounts payable processes, please see our AP automation video. A flexible platform will allow you to easily build and add user-defined fields, improving some of your tasks that might currently be manual. As an example, let's add a user-defined field to the purchase receipt page to help us monitor the status of the items we received. Now that I have an additional field on this page, which I can either require or make optional, I can link it to an action, such as an automated notification. One potential use case could be that the system will automatically create and assign a task to the purchasing manager whenever a receipt is noted as damaged. Chances are you accrue landed costs for your purchase orders, so it is important to allocate those costs to your inventory so you can maintain a record of the true cost of goods, supporting your profitability analysis and helping inform your sales prices. Simply add the landed cost from your inventory receipt document, or create a new landed cost transaction, and add all applicable purchase receipts. The next step is to select the applicable landed cost codes that you configure in order to ensure your desired allocation method, such as by cost, quantity, or weight of the items. If you are using a fully integrated solution, such as Acumatica ERP, the landed cost transaction will update your inventory ledger and allow you to create an AP bill for the charges. If you would like to learn more about how you can automate and streamline your procure-to-pay workflows, reach out and start a dialogue. We will not waste your time, and you are likely to be pleasantly surprised.